Hi, I'm Michael Tan. I'm from Nihon Coating, Asia Pacific. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to apply SILAZANE50 step by step from a dirty car to a finished product. Okay, we start the process with a thorough wash. We need a clean surface for the coating to adhere properly. So this step is important. Please do not rush. Okay, right now we'll just go ahead and mix this up. So it is 1 part of shampoo to 20 parts of water, which is about 2 liters. Okay, so we'll go ahead and rinse the car. We have washed it already. Rinse it thoroughly, dry it thoroughly because it will affect how the coating actually adheres to the surface. It needs to be entirely dry. Okay, if you notice any light stain or any small scuff mark and all this, use a light polish before we do the actual coating. Now, the next step is to degrease the car. This is the most important step. Please do not skip it. It determines how well the coating actually adheres to the surface. Okay, just go ahead and pour a little bit on the cloth. Go ahead and wipe it. So the degreasing actually takes away the contaminant on the surface, take away the waxes, any oil residue, so that the coating can bond to the surface as designed. Okay, now we get to the good part, the base coat. So what we do now is to mix everything together. Take the spray bottle, it's labeled here, okay. Liquid C with liquid A and B. What you need to do is empty the entire content into the spray bottle, okay. What we need you to do is to use the entire content. Okay, and now the C. Okay, cap this up. Okay, give it a few good shake. Yeah. Please use the entire content because the proportion is calculated properly. It needs to be proportionally correct to work properly, okay? Okay, so right now we'll go ahead and do the base coat. First, unlock the safety catch, okay? And then spray 5 times on the cloth. That's the first time when you spray on a brand new cloth, okay? So what you do is you wipe on in small portion, and then you wipe off with the pink cloth. Not exactly wiping off, but just spreading it properly. And you can move on, okay? You wipe it on, small portion, okay? Before it dries, you wipe off. not exactly wiping off. Just spreading it. Okay, and you're okay, so the next step now is to do the top coat. Top coat, same, using the spray bottle provided, is labeled top coat. No mixing required, it's straight from the bottle. Okay, same thing, and empty the entire content into the spray bottle. Yeah. As you can see, there's no mixing required, so you can give it a little bit of a shake just to make sure that everything is well and good. You will notice that there's a lot lesser than the top coat. Not to worry, it's enough for the whole car. Okay, so top coat, same process. You spray 5 times. Okay, you wipe it on. Same small portion, then you time off, spread it, wipe off, and spread it. Okay. Yep, and then you move on. Okay, what the top coat does is it gives you a smooth surface, extremely smooth, very good water repellency, and a very, very deep gloss. It protects the base coat as well. Okay. Okay, you can see it's very, very smooth. Okay, so the entire process is done, completed, nothing else to do. As you can see, it's very easy to apply. Anybody can do it with a professional grade shine. It takes about an hour to do the coating. Of course, you need to let it cure for about 30 minutes before you can put it in the rain. In other words, it's rain ready in 30 minutes. Okay, the coating will keep on curing for the next 7 days, so please do not wash the car. Okay. Other than that, after 30 minutes, yeah, you can drive it off. Okay.